Now we'll demonstrate how to install Python 3 on Ubuntu Linux. To install Python on Linux, you'll want to use your system's package manager. For this course, we'll show how to install Python on a recent version of Ubuntu, but the process is very similar on most other modern Linux distributions. On Ubuntu, first start the Ubuntu Software Center. This can usually be run by clicking its icon in the launcher. Alternatively, you can run it from the dashboard by searching on Ubuntu Software Center and clicking the selection. Once you're in the Software Center, enter the search term Python 3.3 in the search bar in the upper right hand corner and press return. One of the results you get will say Python v 3.3 with Python Interpreter 3.3 in smaller type beneath it. Select this entry and click the Install button that appears. You may need to enter your password to install the software at this point. You should now see a progress indicator appear, which will disappear when the installation is complete. Open a terminal using Ctrl-Alt-T and verify that you can run Python 3.3 from the command line. Welcome to Python. The triple arrow prompt shows that Python is waiting for your input.